Game 2 ng Los Angeles Lakers at Houston Rockets. So, breakdown muna natin siya sa mga runs, adjustments, and execution. So, sa first quarter pa lang is Lakers set the tone. So, early pa lang, kita mo na agad yung identity ng Lakers kung saan defense leading to offense. Marcus Smart and Luke Kennard combined for 24 out of 33 points. So, malaki yan. And nag-end sila ng 9-0 run, which give them a 33-26 lead. Meanwhile, Kevin Durant naman is meron na siyang 11, so alam mong offense ng Rockets is naka-anchor na talaga sa kanya. So, sa second quarter is momentum swing. Lakers extend the lead to 15. Pero dito nagpakita ng buhay ang Rockets, 14-0 run. So, si Durant is pumuntos ng 20 points sa first half. Pero kahit ganoon, Lakers still lead 54-51. Why? Simple lang, 3-point shooting. 10 of 20 from deep ang Lakers. That is spacing open everything. Driving lanes, kickouts, tapos ball movement. So, sa third quarter is the turning point. Ito na yung pinaka-importanting part ng game. The Lakers made the key adjustment. They blitzed Kevin Durant. Double team, traps, forcing the ball out of his hands. So result, 1 point lang si Durant sa bagong quarter. That completely disrupt the Houston offense, lalo na struggling si Alperen Sengun, 5 of 14 shooting. Meanwhile, si LeBron naman is doing everything. 19 points, 7 rebounds, 6 assists by end of third quarter. So 75-68, Lakers still in control. So fourth quarter, the execution and control. From there, Lakers just managed the game. Marcus Smart finished with 25 points, efficient and clutch. LeBron with 28 controlling tempo. Luke Kennard nag-add naman ng 23 huge spacing factor. So, ang final score is 101-94. So, ano nga bang key analysis natin dito? Siyempre, number 1, adjustment wins games. Lakers completely changed the game by taking Durant out of rhythm. Number 2, next man up mentality. No Luka, no Austin Reeves, but still dominant sila. Well, number 3, Rockets dependency on Durant. Kapag na-trap si KD, walang consistent or secondary offense. So sa ngayon, nag-shift ng series sa Houston and Game 3 become a must-win para sa Rockets. Because hindi nila na-solve ang defensive schemes ng Lakers kay Durant, this series might be over sooner than expected.